Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the PUTORSEN Ultra Slim TV Wall Mount, designed for most 43 to 90-inch TVs. This mount is engineered to combine sleek design with robust functionality, making it an attractive option for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. The first thing that stands out is its ultra-slim profile. When fully retracted, the mount sits just 0.77 inches from the wall, giving your TV a clean, minimalist appearance. Despite its slim design, it extends smoothly up to 9.8 inches, providing flexibility in positioning your TV for optimal viewing angles without compromising the sleek look. Speaking of viewing angles, this mount is highly versatile. It offers a tilt range of +3 to -15 degrees, allowing you to angle your TV to reduce glare. The swivel function lets you rotate your screen up to 30 degrees in either direction. And screen leveling of ±3 degrees ensures that even slightly off-center wall installations look perfectly straight. This makes it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices where you might want to adjust the TV frequently. In terms of compatibility, the PUTORSEN mount supports VESA patterns from 100 by 200 mm all the way up to 600 by 400 mm. It can hold TVs weighing up to 110 pounds, which covers most flat and curved TVs from popular brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, and Hisense. This wide compatibility makes it a reliable choice for almost any large-screen TV. The mount also takes cable management seriously. It comes with clips to organize your cords neatly, and decorative caps at the top and bottom conceal the screws, delivering a polished, uncluttered wall appearance. Installation is designed to be straightforward. The package includes clear instructions, a bubble level, and all necessary hardware for mounting on solid walls or dual wood studs spaced 16 or 18 inches apart. It's important to note that this mount is not intended for drywall alone, so securing it to studs or a solid surface is essential for safety. The build quality is solid, with the mount constructed from durable alloy steel in a classic black finish. This ensures stability and longevity while complementing most TV designs and home decor styles. Overall, the PUTORSEN Ultra Slim TV Wall Mount is a combination of style, flexibility, and reliability. Its low-profile design, adjustable viewing angles, strong load capacity, and thoughtful cable management make it an excellent choice for anyone wanting a sleek and functional TV wall mount. That's it for this review on Product Critique. If you're looking to enhance your viewing experience with a mount that's both stylish and practical, the PUTORSEN Ultra Slim TV Wall Mount is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights.